In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to display specific formulas with this function here in Google Sheets. So the function that I'm talking about would be the formula text function, and it is used to display the formula in a specified cell as text rather than the result of the formula. So this is useful if you want to see or share the actual formula instead of its output. It's especially helpful when auditing formulas or sharing sheets with others for review. So let's get started. We have our sample data right here, and I want to know the formula that was used for this cell right here. So again, we're going to start with the equal sign, type in formula. There we go. We have the formula text right here, which we're just going to click on. There we have it. We have our syntax. And so we're just going to select that cell and press enter. And there you have it. So again, it only outputs your formula in text form. So this is not the actual formula because again, we use the formula text function. And there you have it. So you can also just click on this, copy, and when you're going to paste it, you can go to paste special and values only. And there you have it. You're still pasting it as a text. And again, this is for reference if you just want to know what formula was used in that cell. Let's try that again. Let's do it with this cell right here. So again, start with your equal sign, type in formula, select it right there, select the cell, and press enter. And there you have it. So if you're dealing with a lot of data and you just want to see the formula in text form, this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.